I'm feeling so hot. I need something. Oh, I'm gonna use hair humidifier. Wow, it's so refreshing. Wow. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shazza's Dreams. So today also we are gonna unbox a thing that named Nano hair humidifier. So let's get to that. So this is our product. So let's unbox it. Yeah, it's came out. Oh, what is this? Wow. It looks like something like a spray. So we have a charging place over here, and let me check what all inside it. Where is the charger? I think so there is no charger with it, and there is an instruction paper. So let me read this and I will show you how to do it. So I read the instruction papers and they are telling we can take this out, this one. Yeah, I get it. And we should put some water inside it. So let me do it. Slowly. And they are specially telling don't put any liquid items inside this. So let's start. How can I close this? Yeah, I close it. So I don't know what is gonna happen. So let's start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Oh wow! The water is coming on my hand like a spray. It's so cold water. I didn't put any cold water inside it. Wow, it's coming by cold water. I will show you. Wait. Look, it's coming by cold water. So let me do on the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Oh my god! Look at the camera. It's full of water. Let me clean it. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. Look, here is the button like a water pitcher. Look. So if we click this, look, the water is coming like a spray. Look. Oh my god, it's coming on my phone. Okay, it's so nice. So if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.